Hey everybody. Well, probably wondering what in the world is that? It'll become clear, but essentially this is a very long cut that we're doing. It's a vanity panel for the back of a cabinet that we need two of them, and this is the first one that's being cut. Cameron says we're working at 15 millimeters per second and 90% power. You can see that not every single piece is falling through, so there will be a little bit of poking around that we need to do. This is the back side of it. The front of it is painted like maybe a deep sea blue. It's like a navy kind of marine blue kind of thing. And we're going to have a gold metallic background in this cut, and it's gonna go on a high lacquer, on the back of a high lacquer cabinet with brass handles. So I'm pretty excited about this. It's something we have wanted to, or at least I have wanted to get done for months. But this is, how long a cut, honey?
A couple of hours.
It's like 2-hour cut. And what are the dimensions?
765 millimeters by 785 millimeters.
And for people who don't know what that means? Okay, well, so maybe around 2.5 feet square?
About 30 inches, about 30 inches.
30 inches, so I was close. That's 2.5 feet is 30 inches, so, okay. So about 30 by 30, roughly. And we'll show you the whole project when it's done, or at least the one side that we'll be able to get done probably this weekend. But as you know, there's fire over here, so you can never turn your back on it. So Cameron has been down here dutifully babysitting this as it cuts and pausing it while he prepares his next round of croissants.